Hello everyone, welcome to motowow. This is the 2022 Honda Goldwing Tour Airbag DCT. This bike has 1833cc, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, with 73mm bore by 73mm stroke. Honda claim its power is 124.7 horsepower, and 170 Nm of torque. 10.5 to 1 compression ratio with the top speed of 225 km/h. Tank capacity of 21.1 liters and fuel consumption of 18.2 km/L can cover a distance up to 384 km until the fuel tank is empty. Before we continue this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell notification. Don't forget to like and leave the comment. This Honda Goldwing uses double wishbone front suspension and Pro Arm single-side swing arm with ProLink single shock for the rear suspension. In the braking sector, this bike used 6-piston caliper ABS, 320mm, and 3-piston caliper ABS, 316mm for the rear brake. The front tire is 130/70 with 18 rim. And the rear tire is 255 with 16 rim, cast wheels. This motorbike has dimensions of length, 2,475mm. Wheelbase, 1,695mm. Seat height 745mm, while the lowest distance to the ground is 130mm. The width is 905mm calculated from the handlebar. This bike has a wet weight of 367 kilograms. Here are the full details of the specifications and price. This 2022 Honda Goldwing Tour Airbag DCT motorbike just have one color option: Glint Wave Blue Metallic.